In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Zendesk and set up your domain or brand. This process is essential for establishing a professional customer support system and enhancing your service experience. To get started, you'll first want to visit the Zendesk website. Here, look for the Sign Up button to begin your journey. This will lead you through the process of creating your account. This is your first step in setting up a seamless, efficient support hub. Once you've signed up, it's time to start thinking about your service channels. Now, Zendesk is incredibly flexible and allows you to support a variety of channels, including email, web forms, chat, phone, and even social media. It's crucial to consider which channels will best serve your customers' needs. Perhaps your audience prefers the immediacy of chat, or maybe they appreciate the option of sending a simple email. Whichever channels you choose, ensure they align with how your customers want to communicate and that you have the resources to effectively manage these avenues. After deciding on your service channels, you will navigate to the Admin or Settings zone within Zendesk. This is like the control center for your customer support operations, where you can customize how everything functions to suit your business needs. Start by defining your agents. These are the people who will be on the front line, directly interacting with your customers. Think about who needs access and what permissions they'll require. You'll also need to consider the user roles. In Zendesk, there are typically three main types: end users, agents, and admins. End users are your customers, the ones looking for support. Agents, as I mentioned earlier, are the team members who will handle the incoming requests, queries, or issues. Admins, on the other hand, have the keys to the kingdom. They'll manage the overall settings and have a broader access level to maintain the system's integrity. In defining these roles, consider each individual's needs and responsibilities for a more structured environment. As you organize these roles, think about how permissions are assigned. It's vital for maintaining security and efficiency. Tailor the level of access for each user role, ensuring that all sensitive information remains in the right hands, and that your team has the tools they need without being overloaded with unnecessary options. This setup process may seem like a lot initially, but it lays a strong foundation for a robust customer support system. Investing time in setting up properly will save you headaches in the long run, ensuring your team is well situated to provide the best service possible. I hope you find these steps straightforward and manageable as you embark on using Zendesk to enhance your customer interactions. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited to see how Zendesk transforms your support services.